What's going on, glorious people? So over the years, I've noticed there's a lot of super simple things that people tend to buy instead of make. We're talking condiments, toppings, infused oils, dipping sauces and stuff that we usually just grab the ketchup bottle or the Sriracha bottle, when in fact it's so much easier to make it from home. So I decided to reach out and call my favorite YouTubers and friends from around the world to see if they'd submit videos to show you guys how to make 10 super simple things you did not know you could make. Let's take it away. So one of my favorite things in the world is making dehydrated fruit, especially if you have a sweet tooth and you don't want to just be eating candy. You just get some raisins or dehydrated mango or something and you chomp away. But the truth is, it's super easy to make. If you have a dehydrator, you just pop in whatever you got, like raisins, in the dehydrator, you set it, and you walk away. If you don't, you can turn your oven down super low and actually put stuff in there, or you can even dehydrate it in the sun if it's a nice sunny day. Now for me, I discovered this kind of cool thing. So recently I was being lazy. I was making my own raisins, and they usually take a couple days because they're thicker, unlike a banana, which is quick. So what I did was I jacked the temperature up, and I ended up with something that I had never seen before, and it is blowing my mind. It's like these chewy, baked, slow-baked, dehydrated raisin situations, and they're like candy. Unlike your typical raisin, which is just chewy, this is like sugary and also chewy, caramely almost. So I did the same thing with banana, and you know, this banana candy that is freaking amazing. Give it a try. Dehydrated will change your freaking life. Now let's go head over to Mike, the other half of Brothers Green. He's gonna show you guys how to make homemade Sriracha.
We're all pretty much obsessed with Sriracha at this point, but making it homemade is so tasty, so fresh, and it's simple as shit. I start off with a bunch of peppers, whatever you can get your hands on. I like these Fresnos because they've got a nice flavor and they are red. I pretty much de-seed all of the chilies, except I keep 2 whole because I like my Sriracha tasty, not biting my ass off. I add all the chilies to a blender, a little piece of ginger, and then I add some sugar and salt, which is going to help the fermentation. I blend that all up nice and smooth, and then I just pour that into a bowl and leave it uncovered like this. This is an anaerobic environment. We are building up that fermentation, that lactic acid bacteria. So once or twice a day, just give this a little stir to make sure you get no growth on the top surface, and you'll see these bubbles starting to form, and that is a good sign that the fermentation is happening. You'll also be able to smell the funkiness, and this is up to you. When do you want to pull it? How funky do you want your Sriracha? I like it at around 4 to 5 days, but you could go up to, a week, 2 weeks, whatever you want. Turn this into a nice creamy, flavorful hot sauce. I add 1 garlic clove to a blender, pour in the chilies and blend till smooth. You gotta package it up, of course, so pour that into a squeeze bottle or a jar and then give it a label, and you've got the most delicious, fresh tasting Sriracha of your life.
What's up guys, my name is Alex. I've got a YouTube channel, it's called French Guy Cooking. Loads of stuff related to food, breaking down the food. A bit obsessed. I want to show you what you can do with the microwave. Carrots, I've got an eggplant, this is parsnip, a potato. By the way, if you don't have a mandolin, you can always use a dirty spit peeler. Or just a normal spit peeler. Just a touch of oil, basically place them directly on the microwave oven plate, a sprinkle of salt, and in the microwave it goes. Oh yes, look at this. And that is how you turn beautiful potatoes into lovely healthy crisp with a microwave.
Hey everyone, my name is Mark Wiens and my YouTube channel is called Migrationology. I make videos about food and travel. I'm gonna really quickly show you how to make prik nam pla, and that's the ultimate Thai seasoning condiment. Chilies swimming in fish sauce, and it's really easy to make. Let's start with the fish sauce. We're gonna need a few tablespoons of fish sauce. Grab your Thai chilies and you can just quickly pull off the stems. And toss in all of your chopped up chilies. A couple cloves of garlic. For the shallot, cut it really thin. Before this lime, I'm just gonna cut it in half first. What they do sometimes is add very thin slices of lime. Take half of that lime, squeeze it in, set these slices right on top like that, and kind of just let them soak in. There it is, Thai style prik nam bla. That's all there is to it. It's very easy to make. It tastes incredibly good. It's especially good on any type of stir-fried dish. So if you make stir-fried vegetables, if you made a stir-fried meat dish, drizzle some of that fish sauce, some of those spicy chilies on there. It's salty, it's spicy, it's insanely delicious.
Hi guys, I'm Songkyung Longast. Welcome to Asian at Home. Have you ever thought it's able to make Kewpie mayo at home? I'm gonna show you how. So get your food processor and we are gonna add 3 egg yolks, seasoned with little pinch of salt. And the secret ingredients for the Kewpie mayo is a hondashi. Yes, this is Japanese style broth powder and this will change the game. Let's add in. Okay, now I'm gonna close it and turn it on. Now we are gonna add the oil. It's very important to add oil slowly, super duper slow, like a slow poke. We made it at home less than 3 minutes. Add a little bit of rice vinegar. Look at this gorgeous, beautiful, homemade Kewpie mayo. Yes. Oh my God, so good. Subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye guys. Mwah.
Hey guys, it's Mike Chen from Strictly Dumpling, and I'm here today to teach you how to make a super easy, delicious Chinese condiment called hot oil. Now, hot oil is something I talk a lot about on my channel, and it goes great with everything. First thing you want to do, get a pan, add a couple cups of vegetable oil, canola oil, peanut oil, whatever you want. Chinese peppercorn for some of that nice, nummy flavor. Turn the heat on high and cook this till the peppercorn changes color from red to dark brown. When your peppercorn is done cooking, take a strainer and scoop it out. And make sure you do take out all the peppercorn, because biting into one of those, yeah, it's not gonna make you feel so good. After you take it out, heat the oil again till it starts smoking a little bit. Then in a separate bowl, add about 1/4 cup of chili peppers, spicy chili peppers. A couple pinches of salt. Oil is heated, and here's a way you can test it. Just stick a wooden chopstick in. If it starts bubbling a little bit, then it's ready to go. Now all you have to do is carefully pour the oil into the chilies. This is why it's really important not to use a plastic container. You now have delicious hot oil that you can add to anything and make it better. And if you want other versions of my hot oil recipe or other recipes in general, or you just want to follow along on my food adventure, you can check out my channel at youtube.com/strictlydumpling. Thanks again, guys. See you later.
Hello everyone, my YouTube name is Rawvana and I make tons of vegan recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy 3-ingredient homemade almond milk. For this you're going to need 1 cup of almonds pre-soaked, 3 dates, and around 6 to 8 cups of water. You blend it all really well and then you're going to pass it through a nut milk bag. Take out all of the juice, you place it in a jar, you seal it up really well, and just like that, you have fresh homemade almond milk. I really hope that you guys try it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rawvana in English. Bye!
Yo dudes! We're Dave and Steve from the Happy Pear, a vegan cooking channel. We're all about health, happiness and community, and about getting you to eat more veg. Woo! Today we're going to be making for you a vegan mayo, much better than the real thing and tastes epic. It's eggless and you'll have it done in literally 2 minutes. Thanks a mil for watching. This is an epic vegan mayo that genuinely tastes much better than the real thing. Do click on it, come over to our channel and check it out for all things vegan, healthy lifestyle and fantastic content. Cheers!
Hi everyone, it's Helen here from Helen Recipe channel. If you haven't checked out my channel already, it helps you cook Vietnamese food in the most authentic and simple way. So come check it out if you haven't already. Today I will show you how to make crispy fried shallot using a microwave. You will need 1 cup of shallots. In order to make it easier to peel, you can soak in water for about 15 minutes first, and then peel and thinly slice lengthwise. Then spread out on a paper towel and leave for a few hours to dry. And then in a microwave-safe bowl, toss with a teaspoon of flour. Mix with 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And put in a microwave on max setting for 3 minutes. Take out and mix well. Then microwave for another 3 minutes. If some of the shallots already turned golden, you can take that part out. From this point onwards, it's very easy to burn. So if it's not golden yet, you can put in a microwave for just 30 seconds and take out. If it's slightly golden brown, just leave it there. The remaining heat of the oil will continue to cook it further. If it's not golden brown enough, you can microwave for another 30 seconds. Then drain on paper towel, and there you have it, your shallot is ready. You can snack it on its own, or you can sprinkle it over anything like, chicken salad, sticky rice, noodle soup, or even beef stew. It adds really nice flavor and texture to any savory dishes. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you then on my channel. Come over and subscribe.
Hey guys! My name is Stephanie.
My name's Adam.
And we're from
Fit Couple Cooks.
Today we're going to show you how easy it is to make homemade buffalo sauce.
That's right.
It's so delicious, so quick to make, and you can add it to anything. First, you're going to dice half of a large yellow onion. Roughly chop 4 cloves of garlic. 2 to 3 red chili peppers. You can add more if you'd like it spicy.
Heat a 1/4 cup of olive oil in a saute pan. Add in the onions, garlic, and peppers. Stir and cook on a medium flame for 6 minutes. In about 5 minutes, you can see it's starting to caramelize the onions. And so now we're going to go in with 1 cup of water. Stir it all together. Now keep on a medium flame, and now we want to let the water evaporate and cook down the onions and the peppers. Now the water has evaporated, turn up the heat, give it a stir, and then we're going to transfer it straight into our food processor.
Steamy.
Blitz it up for about 10 seconds. Now we add in salt, pepper, and half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Pop the lid back on and blitz for another 30 seconds. We're going to strain the buffalo sauce through the sieve, and it's going to catch all the pulp and leave the nice velvety buffalo sauce in the bottom of the bowl.
So good. And so easy, right?
Easy as that, guys. You can easily double or triple this recipe, and if you store it in a mason jar, it'll last in your fridge for 3 to 4 weeks.
There are so many things that you can put buffalo sauce on top of, and if you want to see how we incorporate it into our meal prep, you can hop on over to our channel. We have over 70 meal prep recipes.
Tortilla chips. Bet you didn't know you could make these at home. And in less than a minute, I will show you how to make these crunchy treats.
I'm Katie Q, and you should check out my YouTube channel where I show you delicious things. Back to tortilla chips. Fill a pot with a neutral oil. I use sunflower oil. I like to use my wok for this. Get your fresh tortillas. A variety will work, but it works best with corn tortillas. Cut the tortillas into fourths. Once your oil is hot, add the slices. You don't want to add too many or they'll pile on top of each other, and you want each one to have its own space. Once they start to turn golden, remove them from the oil onto a kitchen towel or paper towel. Salt them immediately. You can do this in batches, drain and personalize it with spices. Try cumin, paprika, sumac, the list goes on. And why not fry up some blue corn tortillas while the oil's hot? Yum!
Now I just need the guac. I hope you try making these at home. I'm gonna go make some guacamole.